Hello Scratchers and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the long break, but we are finally back. Alright, so today this is Roblox building a game. Making Roblox in Scratch episode 2. We got lots of views on the last episode. We got 2,000. So I'm gonna make episode 2. So yeah, so today we're making the buttons actually work and a couple other stuff. So this is gonna be exciting. So let's begin. Alright. Sorry for the wait too, guys. It's been a long time since I published a video, but we are back for some more videos. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is let's actually make these buttons work. But before we do anything, these buttons are looking a bit too plain. So let's fix that. Click into your home button and go to costumes. I haven't used Scratch for a while, so sorry if I get confused. Alright, time to make this home button look more like a home button. So like most home buttons, let's make a house. But be careful because houses are really hard to make. Click on the square top. You want a no outline and a black shape, completely black. So you want to make this a square. So try to make it look like a house. Alright, so now we got this part of the house. Let's do the roof. So to do that, make a new square. Let's make this a bit bigger. But go to the shape tool, which is this tool, the rectangular tool. And now what we want to do is select a corner and press delete. And then go back to this tool and rotate it. You want to rotate it until the shape looks like this. Now bring it on the roof. Now it probably won't fit, but you can just make this a bit bigger. And finally, you have a house. So let's just do this. Oops, sorry. Let's just move this down a little. And then yeah, you have a really good structured house. Now, is it just me or is this looking off center? Well, it's not just you, it is. So how about we click this? You want to you want to shift and let's hold this. So now we have this in we selected multiple. Then press this magical button named group. And that means this is a group now. Now drag it to the center and get this little square. So yeah, I'm really liking that. Now select the whole thing and now group it. And now make sure it's in the center. Alright, so you can give your costume a name. Let's name it button. Let's press enter. Let's head back to our code section. Now, we did last episode where we click it. Let's show this variable button, home, and friends. So that's what we did last episode. But let's, now let's go to our friends. Now, I've been thinking for friends, how about we make a person? It makes sense, right? So let's just quickly name this costume friends. And let's make a friend. Now you can draw a friend, shape a friend, get an image from Google of a friend, but I'm going to choose a costume. You can pick a random one. Choose a costume from the library as a friend. Let's just go Abby for this example. Now, let's wait it to load. Now, I'm really liking how this project is going. It's going to be a very long series. So, stay tuned for that. Yeah, I don't know why I can't get Abby up. Abby. Hello, Abby? Abby. I'm so sorry. Where's Abby? Alright, let's just get Anna. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, okay. Sorry for that. Let's go back to this Abby one, delete all of this stuff. It's just a bug. That's usual. Let's rename that. Let's center our view. And let's see, we got Abby here. So you want to select the whole thing and press this magical group button. Now make sure you drag it to the center of the canvas. Oh. There we go. Center of the canvas. So now we've done that. you want to select the whole thing again and press copy. Go to this and delete this costume. Don't worry, it's still copied. Now, zoom in on this thing and press paste. And there we go. We got our friend Abby here. Make sure it's still in a group. And you want to resize it down. So keep resizing it until it fits perfectly in the center. Now I think we should almost be there. We're gonna make this one really small. So let's see if it can fit. Oh, almost. Now it should be able to fit. There we go, make sure it's in the center. And now we got our friend costume. Press this group button, select all of it, make sure you group it, drag it to the center. Alright, now we finally have our buttons. Home, friends, and home. But it's pretty boring just doing this. So how about we go to when this sprite clicked. Let's start with our home button. So when the sprite clicked, set button to home. But we also want to broadcast a new message. We want to broadcast, oh, what happened there? Broadcast home. So make a new message, naming it home, press OK. Alright, so now that's done, we are pretty good. But let's get a when I'll save block and see when I'll save home. Alright, so what do we do now? Well, we already have this. So what, you're probably like, Raphael, I know you want to know what to do, but what do we do? Yeah, I'm pretty bored. Well, my friend, we have the perfect function for you, because we're not doing the home, we're actually doing friends. I'm joking, we're doing the home first. So let's make a new costume. Think about, oh my god, so sorry. So think about, let's delete this, hide this button first. Think about what's in the Roblox menu, all the games. Oh yeah, sorting the games, like most popular game, recent games, friend games that your friends have played. Yeah, so let's do this. How about we make a new sprite, naming it sorts. Yeah, that's a weird name for a sprite, but you know, it's the most matching. So now let's go to our costumes. Now we can actually make the sort. So click this text icon and you want to make it whatever color you want, but I think red is good for me. I'm changing this font white to marker. Alright, now we have a font to customize. How about we go recently played? Here, drag down, for when's played, and how about we do most popular. You can do any thing you want, you can do more, but this is just an example video, so that's what I'm going to do. Drag it to the center, and then I would recommend dragging this to the side. Yeah, that looks a lot more like Roblox to me. Alright, let's see the time. I'm pretty sure we still have lots of time. Alright, so let's head back to code. Alright, and let's see. So, when I'll save block out here, when I'll save set up. When I'll save set up, we want to go to this position and we want to hide this sprite. But we want to, when I'll save home, when I'll save home, we want to show this. But we're not done yet. Duplicate this block and change this to a when I'll save friends. But we don't have friends. So let's go back to our friends button. And when the sprite clicked, broadcast friends. Press OK. Now go back to this sprite. And now we have our friends here. So we want to duplicate this hide block. That's pretty easy. duplicate, and let's put it here. Now the moment of shoot, full screen, and click that green flag. We press the home, we have this, we press the friends, no thank you, home. Alright, so we can say this is working, but there's still lots to do. Now, obviously, I really want to add more detail, so I think that's the home relatively done. We've made the home function as good as we can, and you get the point. So, we're almost unfortunately done with this video, but we did make some functions for a friend button. So, let's do something. So let's go to paint. So let's go to, how about we go to, sort. Let's make another sort. Sort friends this time. Alright? So go back here and let's actually copy this and let's actually paste it in our sort friends. Oh. Alright. Now it's copied and pasted. We actually have it here. Drag it to the center. Alright. Now that we're done with that, let's actually name this something else. So let's see you later, boy. Whee! Alright, sorry for that. Alright, so now let's see. Let's go to add friends. Current friends. And friend requested. Yes, that means we are making friends, maybe in episode 50, but it's still gonna happen. Same thing as we did last time, drag it to the center of the canvas. Alright, now go back into code. Get a when I receive block and when I receive set up. Go to motion and go to X and Y. Then you want to, let's say, well, I'm sorry, Mr. My nose, but we're gonna go height. Okay, that was not funny. Why did I do that? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm really sorry for that. Alright, sorry for that, but we are gonna, so you wanna hide when we do this. And then when I receive friends, you want to show this. So, let's move this actually. Let's move this actually over here. We do not want it in the center. I apologize for the inconvenience. Let's get this back. And that's when I see friends. You want to make this a show block. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Hide. Sorry for that. Okay, so you want to make this a show block, but when I receive home, you want to hide this. If you have the add-on, you can easily do that. Final test of this video, home and friends. Alright, so I'm liking that. So, unfortunately, this will be the end of this episode. If you did like this, make sure you do like and subscribe because we're almost at 100 subscribers. Well, that will be it. Goodbye, Scratchers. Save now, please.